Today I'm going to show you how to fix an inflatable pool. The first thing you want to do is find the hole with the water and the soap in the spray bottle. The best way to find the leak is by squirting the soap water until you see bubbles. See, you can see that there's bubbles that create all that air inside of that. Air's coming from here and going into there. Now you want to dry the surface off so you can prepare to fix it. What I found best was the Shoe Goo that will do and fix the job. Now you just take a little bit of the glue, place it on the tip of your finger, and put it against the hole. The best thing about Shoe Goo is that it dries fast, stays clear, and you can get in the pool almost immediately. After about 3 hours, the Shoe Goo will be dried and it will be time to play. I hope you enjoyed this video.